Petrified wood is the name given to a special type of fossilized remains of terrestrial vegetation. It is the result of a tree or tree-like plants having completely transitioned to stone by the process of permineralization. All the organic materials have been replaced with minerals, while retaining the original structure of the stem tissue. Unlike other types of fossils which are typically impressions or compressions, petrified wood is a three-dimensional representation of the original organic material. The petrifaction process occurs underground, when wood becomes buried under sediment or volcanic ash and is initially preserved due to a lack of oxygen which inhibits aerobic decomposition. Mineral-laden water flowing through the covering material deposits minerals in the plant cells. As the plant's lignin and cellulose decay, a stone mold forms in its place. The organic matter needs to become petrified before it decomposes completely. A forest where such material has petrified becomes known as a petrified forest. Elements such as manganese, iron, and copper in the water mud during the petrification process give petrified wood a variety of color ranges. Pure quartz crystals are colorless, but when contaminants are added to the process the crystals take on a yellow, red, or other tint. Following is a list of contaminating elements and related color hues: carbon black, cobalt green blue, chromium green blue, copper green blue, iron oxides red, brown, and yellow, manganese pink orange, manganese oxides blackish yellow. Petrified wood can preserve the original structure of the stem in all its detail, down to the microscopic level. Structures such as tree rings and the various tissues are often observed features. Petrified wood is a fossil in which the organic remains have been replaced by minerals in the slow process of being replaced with stone. This petrification process generally results in a quartz chalcedony mineralization. Special rare conditions must be met in order for the fallen stem to be transformed into fossil wood or petrified wood. In general, the fallen plants get buried in an environment free of oxygen, which preserves the original plant structure and general appearance. The other conditions include irregular access to mineral-rich water in contact with the tissues, replacing the organic plant structure with inorganic minerals. The end result is petrified wood, a plant, with its original basic structure in place, replaced by stone. Exotic minerals allow the rare red and green hues that can be seen in more rare specimens. Locations: areas with a large number of petrified trees include Argentina. The Petrified Forest National Monument in Santa Cruz Province in the Argentine Patagonia has many trees that measure more than 3 meters in diameter and 30 meters long. Australia. Has deposits of petrified and opalized wood. Chinchilla, Queensland is famous for its chinchilla red. Belgium. Geosite Gouwdberg near Oe Garden. Brazil. In the Geopark of Paleorrota, there is a vast area with petrified trees. Petrified forests of Dixoniaceae and Arthrophytes can also be found in the states of Sao Paulo and Tocantins. Canada. In the Badlands of southern Alberta. Petrified wood is the provincial stone of Alberta. Axel Heiberg Island in Nunavut has a large petrified forest. In and around the North Saskatchewan River, around the Edmonton area. China. In the Zhanghe Basin of Xinjiang, northwest China government has issued a crackdown on collecting of this material, but large slabs and even large meeting tables have been made out of the colorful petrified wood. Czech Republic, Nova Pača. The most famous locality on Permian Carboniferous rocks in the Czech Republic. Germany. The Museum of Natural History in Chemnitz has a collection of petrified trees, from the in situ Chemnitz petrified forest, found in the town since 1737. Ecuador. Puango Petrified Forest. One of the largest collections of petrified wood in the world. Egypt. Petrified forest in Cairo. Suez Road, declared a national protectorate by the Ministry of Environment, also in the area of New Cairo at the extension of Nas City, El Khatamiya, near El Mordi district, and Al Farafra Oasis. France. Petrified forest in the village of Champlouzon, Greece. Petrified forest of Lesbos, at the western tip of the island of Lesbos, is possibly the largest of the petrified forests. covering an area of over 150 km² and declared a national monument in 1985. Large, upright trunks complete with root systems can be found, as well as trunks up to 22 meters in length. India. A geological site known for its petrified wood aerobic Karai village in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. The site is protected by the Geological Survey of India. Petrified wood covers a large area in this site. Petrified wood has also been discovered in Dholavira in Kutch, Gujarat, dating back to 187-176 million years. Indonesia. Petrified wood covers several areas in Banten and also in some part of Mount Halaman Salak National Park. Israel. Several examples of petrified wood occur in the Har-Muktis Har-Gadol in the Negev Desert. Libya. Great Sand Sea. Hundreds of square miles of petrified trunks, branches and other debris mixed with Stone Age artifacts. Namibia. Petrified forest of Damaraland, New Zealand. Curio Bay on the Catlins coast contains many petrified wood examples. Fossil forest, Takapuna, Auckland, New Zealand. Saudi Arabia. Petrified forest north of Riyadh, Thailand. Bantuk petrified forest park in Bantuk district, Ukraine. Petrified Araucaria trunks near Druzhkova, United Kingdom. Many examples of petrified submerged forests can be found at low tide around the coast of England and Wales. Fossil Grove, Glasgow, Scotland. Fossil Forest, Dorset, England. United States. Petrified wood sites include Petrified Wood Park in Lemon, South Dakota, Ginkgo Wanapum State Park in Washington State, Petrified Forest National Park in Arizona, Petrified Forest in California, Mississippi. Petrified Forest in Flora, Mississippi, Florissant Fossil Beds National Monument near Florissant, Colorado, Yellowstone Petrified Forest and Gallatin Petrified Forest, Yellowstone National Park, Wyoming, the South Unit of Theodore Roosevelt National Park outside Medora, North Dakota, Gilboa Fossil Forest, New York, Escalante Petrified Forest State Park in Utah, Agate Desert in the Upper Rogue River Valley near Medford, Oregon. Artificial petrified wood. Artificial petrified wood has been produced in a Washington laboratory. In the process, small cubes of pine are soaked in an acid bath for 2 days, then in a silica solution for another 2. The product is then cooked at 1400 degrees Celsius in an argon atmosphere for 2 hours. The result was silicon carbide ceramic which preserved the intricate cell structure of the wood. See also, Amethyst Mountain, Araucaria xylonarizonychum, fossil wood, petrified forest of Lesbos, petrified palmwood, submerged forest, wood opal. References. External links: The Petrified Forest of Lesbos, Protected Natural Monument, the Town Museum of Nova Pacha, the Mississippi Petrified Forest.